everyone, I am here with a quick tutorial on how I like to use these slide pockets. So they come just like this, and they have two to a sheet with some different journaling and tags and tabs and ephemera and things. So anyway, I'm just going to put this one together and kind of show you how I do it. I usually cut this out, and if your punch that you have on hand is a little bigger, you can see it's a little bigger than that space, that's okay, it doesn't matter. So I punch that out. The circle punch is nice, you can cut it by hand, it's just a little bit trickier. And then I use my X-Acto knife to cut out this centerpiece. So I'm gonna just stick it here, and hopefully you don't see my hair get in the way. And I just go nice and slow around these corners. Watch me slice my finger on camera. So I just take it nice and easy because it is pretty detailed, and if it doesn't go through all the way, that's okay. Sometimes it catches in a few little spots, but it's easier the second time to find that groove that you were in before. So just keep going. And it may not be perfect, and that's okay. Just give it your best. And now you know why I usually cut them out beforehand, is because who really wants to watch this? But I do want you to see how I do it and see that it's not really that bad, especially those straightaways. All right, let's see where we're at. Let's finish that corner off, and I think we'll have it. There we go. Maybe, there we go. Okay, and then I like to just grab my inker and just go around the inside so that you don't see the white from the paper, or if you happen to cut it in a little bit, then this will hide that. All right, so next I'm going to go ahead and put this on one of the pages in our folio that we're working on. So these are folded in. I just go ahead and put a little bit of glue, maybe. Let me get that unstuck. But I spread it out pretty good because so it doesn't interfere with the tags. I'll show you what I mean. That is one thing about this glue, is it dries fairly quickly. So I'm working fast here. All right, and then I just gotta decide where do I want this on the page, and I think I'll put it a little over to the left. And now you have this really cool slide pocket. So let's go ahead and put these in. So this is really cool because this comes in the pocket. It's still drying. And then you have the suitcase in your window. So that's kind of why it's designed that way. But I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these little tabs. These come in the kit with the slide pages, so they're all together. I didn't do any fancy mix and match, but you can mix and match which tab you use with which card. Let's see, there we go. All right, and then this is just a journaling card, and I'm gonna put that, I don't know why that's getting caught on something. There we go. So I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna have to check. Oh, there we go. Like, just getting caught on something. I just didn't have that paper glued down very well. So there we go. So that fits in there just perfectly. You can add some lace or something if you want, but I'm going for simple and not too extreme at all, because this is already gonna take up in my little journal a lot of space. So I'm going to put that so it's overhanging into that window, but so I'm going to make sure not to glue that down because I don't want to glue that card in. And then I have a cute little journaling quote. So this could be like a travel journal, or it could be like any kind of life journey that you feel like you've taken and you want to write about it and document it. Then I think this would be a really fun one. But anyway, that is all there is to it, to these little pockets. They are just as easy as can be. And now that we have that working better, those will go in and out there a lot easier. So anyway, that is it for that pocket, and we will just keep working away on this folio and getting a few more pages done here and there until we have the whole thing done. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is all from the November subscription kit. So I will link that down below, but you can also just use that concept of the slide pocket and do that with anything you have on hand. So thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later. Bye.